with Charm Grammy Crochet. How you doing today? It is Sunday. We just got back from our little mini vacation, long weekend trip. Oh, excuse me. Cold's not any better. Probably a little worse. We had a really nice time. We did. We had a really good time. The weather was a little cooperative on Saturday. So we got to go out and do some, like, shopping at the little stores in the area. And then it rained in the evenings. We didn't get to do any campfires. It got really cold on Saturday and real windy on Friday. But we had a great time. We rented a big enough house that we could sit around the table and play cards and chat and eat. We went out to dinner. We went out to breakfast today, out to dinner on Friday, and ate in on Saturday, but we shopped in between. So we had a really good time, and I did get some crocheting in. Not as much as I thought I would get done, but do you want to see what I did? Let's see. First of all, I want to welcome you to the sewing area, I guess. This is more like my sewing area. My machine is right back here. Over here are projects. It's project area. So this is mostly sewing projects and yarn projects. Project bag area. This is a project. This is a project. These are empty baskets, I think. But this is where my project bags are. So I need to put my project back in their project bags. This is a bag that Nancy gave me from She's Got Yarn Too. Oh, I don't want to leave that in here. And thank you so much, Nancy. My friends were so jealous. I was so matchy-matchy with my cute little happy lemon bags. Everything matched really nice. So let's see, what did I get done and what didn't I get done? I got nothing 100% complete. So let's start with see if I can get out the multivalence. Did not work on my multivalence at all. I really wanted to, didn't get to it. So that's going back in this project bag where the other skein of yarn is. I knew if I did get to it, I wasn't going to get through this skein of yarn. So I only brought one. Cake, actually. And this is a bag my husband bought me when I first started crocheting. It's a really nice bag. I think it's got a name on here. Luxia, Luxia. It's a real nice bag. It's purple, so that's real nice. It holds your cakes, your yarn. There's pockets to hold your yarn and loopies to put it through. So that's awesome. And half of it zips, half of it does not. It's got places for your hooks, papers. Then it's got this zipper compartment. I know this isn't what I was going to talk about, but I thought I'd show it to you. And let's see. You can put more stuffs. Zipper pouch here. I think more hooks can go here. It's a really nice bag. I really do like it. And so the hooks that you can put in this part, it has like a little lip for them. And then they can slide in here. It's a real nice bag. It's not very flexible. You know what I mean? It's sturdy. So it stands up on its own, holds its own, I like it. And it looks kind of like a purse. So my multivalence, which is from Expression Fiber Arts, and it's a mystery crochet along monthly. Probably this is the beginning of April. The next part is going to come out real soon, and I haven't finished the last part, so I really did want to work on it, but there wasn't the opportunity, and I didn't crochet in the car as much as I wanted to. On the way down, I crocheted, but we were chatting. We picked up our friends and drove down. They drove down with us, and then back. And on the way down, we're like sightseeing. Oh, look at this, look at that, because a lot of the trip wasn't on the highway. Highway crochet, I mean, what else is there to do? Highways are boring. But when you drive off the highway, that's when you get to see the cool stuff, you know, and I like to not crochet so much during that so that I can actually look at the cool stuff. And then with chatting with my friends, we didn't get as much crochet time in as I wanted. But this is the next project I brought. I did bring this. This is a bag I wanted to make. And I did work on it. It is 80% done. So this is being made with here on, no, this is Lion Brand Comfy Blend, Comfy Cotton Blend. I think this color here is called Driftwood. The gray, I don't know the names. The gray is Sweet Lining. The brown is called Mochaccino. And the white, I think, is called Cream. Down here on this corner. And so I'm making squares, and I think I had some samples. Don't mind the, let's see, this goes, this Hobium bag. Let me just get this in here. And then we can get rid of the crinkle. Okay. So I made some practice squares. I didn't mind this one so much. One I made solid in this variegated yarn, and I didn't like it. I don't mind these so bad with some variegated in it. I did not like the solid variegated. Excuse me. The problem with doing multiple colors, the tails. So then I decided that I would do solid colors. And I liked the solid colors. So I have this panel. I'm doing 9. This panel is completely done, minus the ends I still have to weave in. And this panel is started. I think I have to do the 3rd row and then crochet them together. Okay, so maybe it's not 80% done. Maybe it's 75% done. Then crochet the 2 panels together. Once I add these 3 to this, and then make the handle. So this won't take long. Then it'll go into my, I want to line it, stack of stuff over here. So this, maybe I'll get done today. At least get it put together. But this is an easy crochet as you go project, because if you know how to make a granny square, you know, then you just sew them together. I'm not always real happy with the single crochet join, which is how I'm joining them. Excuse me. But for the look of this, the design, I like that it sticks up. If I did a continuous join, I could have done that and used this yarn, but I don't think I wanted that much variegated there in the middle of the bag. I just want it on the handle part. So that's gonna, the handle is gonna be out of the variegated. I like the join. And I have to weave in the ends because I even though I'm going to line it, but they're going to come through these little holes and stuff. So, and it's just a standard regular granny square. Nothing fabulous, just a regular granny, but I think I like it. And on the other panel, the gray will be, you know, the line through the center, and then the others won't be in line. There is a pattern. It does go white, brown, gray. White, brown, gray. Oh, I think I messed up. Well, I wanted the grays. Doesn't matter. I couldn't lay it out in the car, so it is what it is. There will be a gray line up the center. I thought I was doing a pattern. I just think I turned them around and didn't put them together the right way. It doesn't matter. And anyway, they are living in a bag I got from Hobium. Well, will be now. But this will be a quick, easy finish. So this is in a bag I got from Hobium. It says, all you nuts is love, or all you knit is love. Love Hobium, with the Hobium fox on the other side. And I got that a while back. Then I finished this week's Luck of the Draw. So I did add in the last color of the Luck of the Draw. And my color for this week was called Country Yellow. It's not a very vibrant color, but it matches in the bag. It was the first repeat of our Luck of the Draw from Nan's Next Knots. The pattern will be in the description box below. And this was our first repeat. It was week 2, and now it's week 8. And that is living in a basket I have over here. Then what else did I do? I did not work on, I'm sorry to say, I did not work on Yoda. But I will work on Yoda eventually. So Yoda is going to go in this bag that I got from Mary Maxim. He really won't take long to make. And here is this. I'm just going to stick it all in there. So I have somewhere in here some eyeballs I have to stick in there. Then finally, I have this project. And it is 80% done as well. And I'm only saying 80% because it's a little time consuming, the part that's not done. It's not hard. It's just a pain in the rear. So my granddaughter, my third granddaughter, showed me this TikTok video. She said, Grammy, can you make me this? It was a tic-tac-toe board in a pouch. So I said, I think so. I will try. So I crocheted a little pouch. So this is attached. It's just half, no, double crochets. I did double. Did I? Yeah, I think they're double. It might be half double. Yeah, half doubles. I did half doubles. I don't know. I was chatting and crocheting, so whatever stitch came out. And I made, now I did 2 rounds of half doubles in this. This is a I Love This Yarn Prince that was discontinued a little while ago. This is the part that I still have to do. I have to crochet in all these little ends. And I made circles out of this, and this is 2 rows of half double. Then I took the Parfait yarn that I had scrap of. This is all scrap yarn, by the way. And I did 3 rounds of half double as they came out. And I did all circles. I just thought it would be hard to do and time consuming to try to figure out how to make an X. I didn't want to do that. Someone had suggested that I make squares and circles, but they're so small that making a square just seemed, it was just easy to do circles. So there's 3 rounds of half double because the ice cream yarn is thinner. So I did 3 rounds on the colored circles, the multicolored circles, and then I did just 2 rounds of half doubles on the blue circles, blue and white circles. So you put all your little circles in your pouch, and then I made 6 of each because that's plenty to cover the board. And so you lay out your board, and this is Bernat Cozy. The red and the gray are both Bernat Cozy yarn. And so she can lay out the board. Her and a friend or her and her sister can play. and the blue doesn't show up so good, so I'm thinking I might do a round of the ice cream yarn in the center here, just like do a surface crochet like I did this, just so that they're brighter, but I might not. I don't know, probably not. I mean, they're young, they can see that. Anyway, so I just have to weave in ends on all but one of the circles, and this will be done, and I will, oh darn it, and I will give this to her on Easter, because I will see, if I don't see her before then, but I probably won't, because isn't Easter next weekend? So she'll get this on Easter, and I think it's kind of cute. I am going to put a button right here, and then it's done. So that is done, and my scraps can go back into the scrap pile. And that's it. That's all the projects that I took. I took 1, 2, 3. I took 4 projects. 2 I didn't touch, and 2 are really well on their way to being completed. We have all the stuff put away now that all of my projects are in bags, and my big vacation project bag is empty. I can bag these up, hang them up on the wall right over there. Bags get hung on the wall over there, baskets go over here. And I took a shower, we packed, we left. So I got hair all over the place, no makeup on, and my traveling clothes. Very comfy clothes for riding in the car. We're going to go out to eat because nobody wants to cook now. And I have to get video ready for the end of Amigurumi Wars. I got a lot of emails on the last day of the month to get people getting their pictures in. I haven't opened any of those because I open them when I put the, download the pictures to put them in and write down the scores and all that. So that's my project for this evening, so that I can get that video out for you tomorrow and get the prizes, get the winners picked. So that's exciting and coming up tomorrow. And dinner out in about 20 minutes. So I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you had a great weekend. See you later. Bye.